Yep, it's that time of the year again. Time to go do a year's worth of laundry. 20 t-shirts, 2 beach towels, deep sand, and I knew that the torque of pedaling would snap the chain. So I walked the trike, out until it was on hard ground. But what I didn't consider was the higher center of gravity and a little, what do you want to call it, centrifugal force, sideways force, with that high center of gravity. And guess what? Yep, that's what happened, alright. It was not too bad. I wasn't going very fast. It's just that high center of gravity. I need to find some saddlebags that are actually big enough for laundry, because these little Chinese saddlebags just ain't worth a damn right now. If anybody out there knows how to make these bags, let me know.